Zachary, come here. We can't find these. They're hiding. Yeah, that is ours. Wait, that's what it is. What? Hey, where's mine? That's from Peter Cottontail. It's for me. That's from Peter Cottontail.
Well, get it out.
So, first I have to move this chair. Oh. That's we better call Peter.
Let me see it.
See? Yeah. Hey, Zachary got his bubble.
Wow.